Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is Allegro on the viola playthrough. All right, slow and fast. This song is called Allegro, but it's also marked tempo marking Allegro, which means lively, happy in general. So it can't be too slow. All right, so let's figure it out. Let's do our slow tempo. 1, 2, 3 on the A string. Make sure you have your staccato notes. Let's do 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A. So a pretty conservative happiness. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was pretty slow for Allegro. Let's do the fast end. So again, Allegro is happy. We have other things, other tempo markings like vivace, which means vivacious. So we don't want that, okay? So we have to keep it still within the realm of chill, happy, okay? So here we go. Dum, bum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. How'd you do? Hopefully fantastic. Find a tempo that works for you, that slow range to the fast range, somewhere in between, but you're going to be a success. All right, and if you are, I will see you in the next song. Bye.